Hi, you're welcome back to our channel. If this is the second time you're coming to the channel, but if this is the first time you're welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be talking about how to deactivate a Facebook page. So let's say you have reached a decision that you really do not want to use a Facebook page again, but you're unsure of the need to keep it active and you really do not want to delete the Facebook page. Then deactivating the Facebook page might just be the way to go. So I will be showing you briefly how to do just that. You go straight to your account section, you select the page you would like to delete or deactivate. You click on the Facebook page. As soon as you've finished clicking on the Facebook page, you are now acting as that Facebook page. So you click on See Page. And as soon as you are sent to the page, you scroll down to Settings. And then from Settings, you come to Access and Controls. From Access and Controls, you will be presented with two options, either to deactivate the Facebook page or to delete the Facebook page. If you, just as you've intended that the purpose of this video is to temporarily, have your page go offline, then deactivating your Facebook page will be the thing to do. Most of your data, your pictures, your videos, and many of those things will temporarily be inaccessible. But if you completely want to delete the page, then you select on delete. But you want to deactivate, so you select deactivate page, select continue, then you select your account, you enter your account password here. As soon as you enter your account password here, you press continue, that page will be deactivated. I am not planning on deactivating this page, but it's pretty much the same process. And just enter your password, click on continue, and your page is deactivated. And it's that simple. Thank you very much. If you found value from this video, please like and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be notified of newer videos we make. Thank you and have a great day.